In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage files in Zotero. Zotero is a fantastic tool for anyone needing to organize their research materials, whether you're a student, a researcher, or just someone trying to keep your references in order. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Zotero desktop app on your computer. After it's open, look for the plus button. This is your new item button. Click on this, and you'll see a range of item types such as book, article, and more. This flexibility allows you to categorize your material accurately right from the start. Next, to upload your files, you have two options. You can either drag and drop your PDF or other file directly into the item. This is a quick and easy way to add your files. Alternatively, you might prefer a more traditional method. Right-click on the item you've created, go to Add Attachment, and then select Attach Stored Copy of File. This not only helps keep your workspace tidy, but also ensures your files are readily accessible. Now let's talk about organizing these files, as that's a crucial part of managing your library effectively. Zotero uses collections, which are essentially folders to help you group your items logically. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on multiple projects or need to separate materials by topic. Simply create a new collection in the left sidebar and drag your items into the appropriate folder. To enhance the searchability of your items, make use of the tags and notes features. Adding relevant tags to your items allows you to find them quickly without having to sift through everything. Notes are great for providing additional information or reminders about why an item is important or how it relates to your work. Next, let's ensure your files are named consistently. Zotero can help with that too. If you're one of those people who likes everything neat and uniform, you'll appreciate the Rename File from Parent Metadata feature. To use it, right-click on the item and select this option. Zotero will rename your file based on the metadata of the parent item. This can save you loads of time and make everything look professional. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to upload and manage files in Zotero. Remember to take advantage of Zotero's organizational tools, such as collections, tags, and notes, as they can be true lifesavers when your library starts to expand. But most importantly, have fun organizing your knowledge base in a way that makes sense to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.